Hello everyone, welcome to BlazTech, and with this video we're going to be doing pretty much a room tour. This was requested by somebody. I'll put them up, I forgot their name unfortunately. But no, other than that we are going to pretty much do a room tour. My room is pretty tiny and we'll go through my system and all of that. So yeah, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and follow my socials. But have a good day and I'll come back in a second. Just, my door, my two suits. I have a more formal suit and like a wedding suit. I have a couple of hats in there, and I don't really wear hats because I got a very narrow face, so it makes my head look weird. That's why when I'm in meetings, I put that on the other side, so my parents don't come in. But not other than that. So this is pretty much my room, and yes, I've not made my bed. It's a very small room. I'll give you a wider view. We can't do it because we're in 4K. So this is from when I was a kid. This is Paddington Bear. I don't know why I still have it, but I do. Up there is just some shoe boxes, because I've got a lot of shoes. So there's my bed, there's my Apple Macbook Pro 2019 13-inch model, base model, just slightly upgraded SSD. And there's my iPad Pro 2019 model also, 11 inches I think, and I just got one of the cases with it. And yeah, that's my bed, and stuff is everywhere, but that's how it is. So here are my clothes. I got a lot of spare coat hangers, work clothes in there, my bag with creatine and stuff in it, supplement these. This entire shelf is pretty much just boxes. There's my Balenciaga bag, flexing a little bit. That Balenciaga's on, as you can see. This is pretty much my ER22 Mark II audio interface, and that connects to my Audio-Technica AT2020 with the Rode mic, and I forgot what pop filter that is, but I'll leave it somewhere. But this is my computer. I'm not going to open it. The reason is because I've got a very small gap, and if I want to open it, I pretty much have to move everything, and I don't want to do that. But we're going to go through what's on there. This monitor, I have no idea what it is, honestly, because this is my dad's old monitor, and he just gave it to me because he's got his own monitor. This one, I think it's for BenQ RZ400 or something like that. I'll put it on screen because I don't remember what it is exactly. But yeah, passport, wallet, Coke, Elgato Stream Deck, the mini version, Logitech C920 webcam I use for streaming and all that. By the way, if you want to check out my stream, it's Blazetech, and I stream 9:30 AM Australian Central Standard Time at Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So yeah, here's my Razer keyboard. It's Ultimate Black Widow edition. I believe I got this maybe 2016, 2017. I'm pretty sure it's 2016, but yeah. So CPU ID. So this is just running through what I've got in the system. I got an Intel Core i7-7700K, and that is at clock speed of 4.20 gigahertz. I didn't overclock or anything because, well, I didn't trust myself. I don't want to blow it up. My motherboard is a ASUS Strix Z270F gaming motherboard, and I got the motherboard and the CPU in a bundle because it was cheaper, so that's why I did that. Memory, I got DDR4, 16 gigabytes of RAM. As for which brand it is, I think it's Corsair. I'm pretty sure it's Corsair Vengeance. I got it in a bundle with the CPU, the motherboard, and the memory. I got it all in a bundle off of a PC case game, because that's where I normally order all my stuff from, because I've done them in the past. Very reliable and they're really cool. Yeah, if you want to check them out, I'll be linked in the description. I'm not affiliated with them, but I just think they're a good company. But other than that, I have a NVIDIA GTX 1070. I thought I had a 2070, but I didn't. Maybe that was in my dream, who knows. But yeah, I have a NVIDIA GTX 1070. I plan to eventually get a 2080, or depends how things roll out. By the end of the year, I might get it or not, I'm not sure, because it's expensive and I'm not rich, even though I do tech stuff and YouTube and all that. I'm not rich by any means. If anything, I'm broke. So we got a Joby, I don't know how you say it, stand for, well, either this phone or my camera, which there it is, or I use it for that camera. When I got a Blazetech wireless charger, which I don't use. I did a review on, but I don't use it, mainly because wireless charging is slow and I just prefer cable charging, even though cables suck. I really wish everything was wireless. This is my old Fitbit Versa. I want to eventually get a Versa 2 just to do a comparison and to compare it against my watch, my Apple Watch, which is the 44mm version. I got another wireless charger here. I got it from this Chinese store. My auntie got it for me, so thank you for her. I don't use it, but thank you for her. Ring, not wedding ring, but just ring. Jewelry in that box fed to me when I was a baby. No, I was probably 6. I was in reception or grade 1. Yeah, I got my PS4 and my Xbox One. I don't use them at all pretty much, and Xbox One controller black, Xbox One controller white, and PS4 control. Yeah, like I said, this is the Rode PSA one, I believe. This is Audio Technica. I forgot where I got this, and this is just a shock mount, and that's a pop filter. So it releases the P sound. It's not more of a poppy, it's just a like a pop. It just sounds normal instead of spiking. But no, other than that, I got my Razer Kraken headset. I had a green one, but it broke, so I got a black one. Then what else do I have here? Nothing really. I mean, I just got my vitamins, my deodorant, my water, my bin, my shoe cleaning stuff. I don't know why I've got gloves, but I do. I don't use them though. But no, jumping across, like I said, that's my 13-inch Apple MacBook 2019 edition. Can't afford the 2020 edition because I'm broke. Same reason as that. Can't afford the new edition, 2020 edition, because I'm broke. But like I said, that is the 2019 version. And I want to get the Magic Keyboard Pro, but it's expensive. So yeah. So jumping on, Spider-Man. And I got these because I was eating sticky food and I had to wipe my hands. This is the AirPods Wireless 2. Yeah, they're good. And just recently I got the AirPod Pros again because my old one's broke because I dropped in coffee like an idiot. Yeah, these are really good. Not the best, but I do highly recommend them if you are a Apple user. So charger for my Apple MacBook Pro, charger for my, I believe, iPad. Yeah, USB-C adapter for the, I believe, yeah, MacBook Pro. Earphones, like standard earphones. Then you got portable charger, glasses, shoes, a fair few games, a few collectibles there. If I can zoom in, yeah, you got them. You got shoes, you got some Adidas, Nike, Jordan, Nike, Adidas, Jordan, Nike. More Adidas's there, Jordans, old Adidas's from when I was in school, Adidas's, Jordans, dress shoes, Jordans, and obviously Balenciagas. Over here, we've got my chair. I'm launching a product store, so this is the sample products of all this jewelry, so that's coming soon. In there are my Yeezys. Yes, it's real. Don't ask me questions if it is or isn't, because I would not lie to you. My books. That's one book. By Gary and Jones. And if I can grab it, Lighting the Path, because I do enjoy reading. The other two books are just notebooks. And over here, we've got Lumen, because I use their skincare products. And yeah, no, I have a very tiny room, but you know what? You get used to it, sort of thing. I guess Coke keeps me going. It's probably not healthy for me. And yeah, no, that's if you got any questions, you know, feel free to ask me. And look at this. Look at this down here. I didn't even notice that. Thanks video. Anyway, yeah. Okay, so that was pretty much my room tour, and as you can tell, it's a very tiny room. And also, if you guys want to pick up any of these pieces of equipment that I've mentioned in this video, I'd really appreciate it if you go into my description and buy off the links that are there. They are Amazon associate links, but they do help out the channel, and yeah, I get commissions. No, they don't go higher in price or anything like that, just in case you don't know what affiliate marketing is or how affiliates work. But yeah, other than that, I really appreciate it if you get them, because it supports me, and yeah, hopefully I can make this a career room. I'm thankful I still live with my parents, and I don't gotta pay board or rent or anything like that, so I'm very thankful for that. And yeah, I can just save my money and do YouTube videos and all that. I have a booger right there. Look at that. That's freaking gross. But other than that, this is Brandon from BlazTech, and if you enjoyed the video, subscribe and smash the like. That'd be really cool. And I have videos coming out every single Friday at 9:30 Australian Central Standard Time at the AM. And I stream on Twitch from 9:30 AM to about 1:30 PM or 12:30 PM, so 3 to 4 hours streaming. I do that Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and the link will be in the description on there. Also, that'll be up here somewhere. But not on that, I really appreciate you sticking around, and I love all and every one of you. But yeah, have a good day. This is Brandon from BlazTech. Bye. See you next time.